Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to earn money by watching ads. So that's small ads, 5 seconds. So you have to wait for 5 seconds, and that's PTC ads. So don't waste any time. You have to come on to and you have to come on to the description and click on the link. So you will be redirected to that website. So you will be redirected to this website, whatwoojoo.woojoo.com. So that's the website. You have to put your username and password, confirm password, technique, and account email. So you have to, and the referral, you have to click on my link, and your referral will be adding automatically. So after that, you have to click on I am not a robot and click on yes. I already accept the general terms and conditions, so you have to click on yes and click on register. After clicking on register, you have to your verification link have been sent to your email. You have to come on to the email. You have to you have to copy this link, and paste it here. After pasting, so you have to access to your account, username and password, and verify a captcha and click on login. After clicking on login, you can see here I have watched the ad. You can see here your click has been validated. You have earned $0.001 for watching this ad. So that's the ads. So I will show you now. You can see here I have logged in. You have to click on paid to click ads. You have to click on paid to click ads, and another page will coming. After clicking on paid to click, you can see here $0.001 for 5 seconds. So you can see here $0.001, and you can see here 5 seconds, and you will be seeing one of the ad that have $0.005. You can see here, and that's 30 seconds. So you have to come on, I will show you. So you have to click on this ad. After clicking on this ad, you can see here the timer will start. So the timer will start. You can see here timer is started, and 1 and 2. You can see here your click has been validated. You have earned $0.001. So you have to wait. So after waiting for 5 or 10 seconds, you have to back. So you can see here you have viewed this advertisement. You can see here total clicks have been 2. So I have, and so my total clicks is 2. So you have to watch these ads, and you can complete surveys as well. You have to complete surveys. So you have to, after you have reached the minimum amount of $2, I think it's $2, you have to withdraw it. So after getting a $2, you have to withdraw it to your PayPal account. So all this for that video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.